Welcome to JH. The beer jacket. You've probably seen it clogging up your social media feed lately, with people losing their minds over a coat designed specifically for hop enthusiasts and fashion victims alike. It sounds like a dream for the pub, but let's be honest, it's probably just a digital hallucination. The first thing that gives it away is the footage itself, which screams, "I was made by a computer." The lighting is suspiciously perfect, and the fabric moves with the uncanny grace of a glitchy video game character. It's about as real as my chances of winning the lottery. We did some digging and found these exact same images on 3D design websites. These platforms are for artists to show off creative concepts, not for actual humans to buy actual clothes. Essentially, it's a fun digital art project, not something you'll be wearing to the local bar anytime soon. The creators also love using pretentious buzzwords like liquid aesthetics and wearable storytelling. Because why just say it's a jacket when you can pretend it's a philosophical movement? They never bother to explain the materials or how it actually works, probably because imagination is a difficult fabric to source. Finally, we went looking for a single real customer review or an unboxing video, and the results were a resounding zero. For a product that's supposedly going viral, it has the physical footprint of a ghost. There isn't a single person on the planet actually wearing this thing in a non-rendered environment. So, is the beer jacket legit? Absolutely not. It's just another AI-generated fever dream designed to farm likes and remind us that the internet is mostly lies. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reality checks on viral nonsense.